Alright, now Inspire, fair use, YouTube, fair use. This is for teaching, criticism, news reporting, parody, all that. Content notice. Alright. We're about to bring you some disturbing news from Mexico. Thoughts and prayers out to Mexico. Let's rock. Alright, man, I'm gonna just bring this one on in, man. No, well, my DJ walked out on me, man. But we're in Mexico. This came across my feed an hour ago, and thoughts and meditations of well-being goes out to the family in Mexico. Like I said, Drop Nation is everywhere. The tribe is everywhere. Um, you know, Kira Mayo, get at me, man, if you heard anything about this. But this is an earthquake. I don't know what magnitude. But we're going to dig on it real time. Let's go. Okay, wait, go back. All right, man, this is an earthquake, but kind of keep your eye. I don't know if this is the moon or what it is. It looks like it would have to be the moon. I don't know. I'm not sure. Y'all let me know. But I seen some strange activity coming from this light source, so just kind of keep your eye on it. You're gonna see this whole. You see this line right here, this horizon. And you're gonna see this thing kind of shake, man. Like it's gonna be like boom, boom. Yeah. So thoughts and prayers and meditations and things. 7.1. 7.1. All right, let's go. Okay, so now, all right, I got you, homie. No doubt. Wrong one. All right. All right, that was the op right there. All right, so now I guess I can still see the light source right here, but now it seems to be gone. All right, this is, and I'm just now noticing this, man. This is real time. Spiral get this stuff, man. I dig on it real time. It's I was talking to my aqua the other day, and I was telling her it's almost like a fire, right? I feel a fire in me, and that's when I go to posting. It's always like I sit back and, you know what I'm saying, have to wait for it. And like I said, this is my first time noticing whatever this light source is, but that motherfucker definitely went dim. And first it pulsated, and then it went dim, and now we got a 7.1 on a Richter. Okay, let's go. And these are the things I'm bringing this. Yeah, I didn't want to talk much on this video, but I'm bringing these things out, man. We have to pay attention to these things. Most High said, the beginning is manifest in wonders and works, and the end in penalties and in signs. And so we have to look out for these signs, no doubt about it. Let's go. also, man, y'all keep your eyes peeled, man. I can't spot everything. I was looking at the other footage in England. I spotted some other things going on, man. So y'all spot something, y'all let me know. Let me ask y'all something. I just want to ask y'all something, man. Do y'all think this is a game? Do y'all think that this thing is just going to continue? This paradigm is just going to continue with without any end? All the evil that persists in it today? I'm just curious, man. Like, when do we start letting go of the drowning man to save yourself? Like that's where we at, and I promise you, I kid you not. Me and yourself and a couple of other guys on either squad has been through it. All the signs are there, according to the prophets. Not that shit in Revelations that they're trying to act out. No, it's gonna happen totally different. According to the prophets, all the signs are there. Hmm? Do we care? Do we care whether or what happens to us after the Most High comes back? Because the Most High specifically says in Ezra's, some of y'all are going to admit, he's going to make y'all admit that you were wrong. These must acknowledge it in torments after death.